Unlimited hotpot ba ang trip mo lately? Yung hindi lang mura pero quality at sobrang satisfying? So ayan, we headed to Ayala Malls Manila Bay to celebrate my mom's birthday. And since nag-crave kami ng something warm and comforting, perfect timing kasi nandun ng Sukiya. Pagpasok nyo pa lang ng store, i-assist kayo agad ng staff nila sa table nyo. Tapos papipiliin kayo kung anong soup base ang gusto nyo for your hot pot. Sa table namin ni Daddy A, pinili namin yung sukiyaki at yung botaniko na may creamy pork base. While sa table naman nila Mama at Kuya, they chose kimchi, which is yung spicy flavor, and classic, which is yung shabu-shabu. Dito, ang fresh ng meats, veggies, shabu-shabu balls, at ang daming options sa salad bar and desserts. Meron rin maki at cooked meals na. For 578 pesos, sulit na sulit ang unlimited pork, chicken, sides, and more. At kung beef lover ka, just add 148 pesos for unlimited beef. Kaya go na agad. Pagkapo pa lang namin, amoy na ang aroma ng broth habang nilalagay namin yung veggies at yung shabu-shabu plus yung meat. Grabe, ang sarap at ang tender. Bagay pa dun sa signature dipping sauce na tinuro sa amin ng staff nila. Habang kumakain kami, napansin ko talaga gano'ng ka-cozy yung place. Malinis, spacious, at super chill lang ng lighting. Perfect pang family celebration. Siyempre, hindi kami alis dito nang hindi natatry yung soft serve ice cream nila. Promise, ibang level din yung creaminess nito. Kaya naman super happy ng kids. Kaya for your next family gathering or kung trip nyong mag-only hotpot without spending too much, try nyo yung Sukiya Hotpot dito sa Ayala Malls Manila Bay for your holiday bonding.